seem like the type to love 'em, leave 'em, and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for the time and opportunity that has been given to our school to present the result of our article discussion. To the presenter, the time and opportunity are yours.
Number one, my idea of the article. The article emphasizes that academic literacy in English plays a crucial role in developing students' critical thinking skill and higher education. Academic literacy is not merely understood as general language ability but includes critical reading skills, academic writing, as well as speaking and arguing logically in scientific context. Through these skills, students are trained not only to aspect information but to analyze, evaluate, and synthesis various academic sources. Thus, academic English literacy becomes a primary tool for shaping students who think critically, reflectively, and independently and at an intellectual level.
Purpose of the article. The main purpose of the article is to explain the strong connection between academic English literacy and the development of student critical thinking skills. The article also aims to show the English proficiency in higher education, so not focus solely on linguistic aspect, developing higher order thinking skills. Additionally, the author encourages higher education institutions to systematically integrate the teaching of academic literacy and critical thinking into English learning to that students are better equipped to face future academic, professional, and global depths.
Through critical response, I agree, disagree, plus reason. I agree with the perspective present by the author in the article. This viewpoint is highly relevant to the needs and challenges of higher education today, especially in the context of globalization and the rapid development of knowledge.
First, the author aligns with demands of higher education, which require students not only to understand course material but also to think critically and analytically. In university settings, students are frequently confronted with English academic texts such as international journals, reference books, and research reports. Without strong academic literacy skills, students will find it difficult to understand arguments, assess the credibility of sources, and construct their own ideas in academic writing. Therefore, English academic literacy strongly supports the development of student critical thinking abilities.
Second, the article highlights high skill in the importance of skills from mass learning to activities and learning activities, access real career, reading, presentation, and argument. Writing and students to enjoy. Activities give the learning process boost. Activities students learn to express optimism, defense, arguments with strong evidence and operations. Defiance perspective, the expressions. The writing contributes to forming critical reading, present and effective academic commission seconds.
There, the author's perspective is relevant in addressing both global and local challenges. Integrating local context into English learning enables students to connect global theories and discuss with the social, culture, and education realities around them. This approach not only enhances students' understanding but also encourages them to think critically about issues directly related to real life experiences. As a result, academic English literacy becomes meaningful and applicable rather than abstract. Overall, the article provides strong arguments that English academic literacy and critical thinking are interrelated and is inseparable components of higher education. Therefore, integrating both elements into an English instruction is a strategic step to produce graduates who are academically competent, critical thinkers, and prepared to face global challenges. Thank you.